Hello and welcome to my channel Parthavi's Kitchen, where cooking comes from heart. Here's a quick and easy recipe for garlic masala rice. It serves around 4 adults and is ready in just 10 minutes. This one is a popular dish in Gujarati household, also known as Vagharalo Bhaat. Usually made with leftover rice, this recipe is ready in no time. Let's start by preparing the garnish. In a pan, heat about 1 teaspoon of oil. Once hot, add half a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic to it. Saute till lightly brown on low heat. Sauteing on low heat avoids garlic from burning and provides a nice crunch to it. Once it's done, remove it from the pan and keep it aside for later use. Continue to cook in the same pan for masala rice. Heat about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds along with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. About a pinch of asafoetida or hing and let it crackle. Once done, reduce the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 whole red chilies and remove the stem. Along with about 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander. Mix and cook this for about a minute. For extra taste, add about 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic chives if available. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder along with about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. These are the only spices we are going to add. Mix and cook this on low heat for about a minute. Do not let the spices burn. Now go ahead and add about 3 cups of cooked rice. I'm using leftover rice for this. Level it a little bit and add salt to taste. Now lightly toss it and cook it on low to medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and garnish with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. The rice is ready to serve. Here are some plating and serving suggestions. Take about half a cup of fresh curd for serving in a plate. Use a spoon to level it a little bit. Now to add some extra spice and color, I'm going to use chili oil. Recipe for chili oil is mentioned in the description box below. Just put little bit of dots all around the plate. You can also drizzle it a little bit. Use back of a spoon to create swirls. This creates a lovely design and gives a beautiful contrast to the dish. Lightly tap it to set. Now use a plating ring, a cookie cutter or a bowl. Put it on one side of the plate. and fill it with cooked rice. Now gently remove the ring to make sure that the portion remains on one side. For more contrast, top it up with red chili and garnish it with sauteed garlic and some fresh cut coriander. Lovely, it's ready to serve. You can increase the quantity of chili oil for spicier taste. You can also add salted or fried peanuts for some texture. Do check out more leftover rice recipes on my channel Parthavi's Kitchen. Recipe links are suggested below. I hope you'll try this recipe and give a thumbs up to this video. Make sure to hit subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you have already done so, a big thank you. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy cooking from heart.